AI Essentials Explorer introduces you to the foundational concepts of artificial intelligence. You'll gain a clear understanding of AI's capabilities, limitations, and the tools that drive its functionality. This badge also explores practical applications of AI and uncovers the complexities of the AI black box, including transparency challenges and their implications for individuals and organizations. This badge is divided into 3 sessions. Session 1.1, Introduction to AI. Dive into foundational AI concepts, its capabilities, limitations, and applications. Session 1.2, AI tools and models. Explore and compare various AI tools and large language models, LLMs, for practical applications. Session 1.3, the AI black box. Understand the lack of transparency in AI systems and their broader implications. By the end of this badge, you'll achieve 3 key learning objectives. Understand AI's foundational concepts, including its capabilities and limitations. Analyze and compare different AI tools and models, focusing on real-world applications. Examine the AI black box and its implications for individuals, organizations, and society. This badge is perfect for professionals across industries offering practical knowledge to enhance workplace performance. Students from any academic background, bridging theory and practice to prepare for the future. Corporates, a tailored course for organizations to upskill teams and develop AI strategies. This badge requires 3 hours of active engagement, including lessons, videos, readings, and assessments. To fully absorb the material, plan for an additional 3 hours of reflection and analysis, making the total time commitment approximately 6 hours.